Young members of National People's Youth Front today met at Soso Tham Auditorium in Shillong. The program was graced by National and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, National Vice President Preston Tinsong and others. Those who spoke on the occasion were Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, National Vice President Preston Tinsong, State President of NPP Dr. W.R. Kharluki, James K. Sangma and others.
I've been thinking about for a very long time is that in our state, we have language barrier. We have cultural barriers. We have different lifestyles to some extent because cultures are slightly different. I would want the NPYF to ensure and to work towards building up more bridges, building up and bringing down these language barriers. Why can't some of our Garo friends start giving speech in Khasi? And why can't our Khasi friends start speaking in Garo? Let NPYF take this up. You must. This is the message that we should give to the state, that our youth will respect all communities, will respect all tribes. We are a state, and we must ensure that these small barriers that are there, which could be things that sometimes are areas of concerns, we can easily bring it down by taking these initiatives and learning. I would want more of our leaders, youth leaders from Khasi Hills, to tour the rural areas of Garo Hills, not just Tura. Tura is fine, you should go to Tura. But I would want you to see what real Meghalaya is. And that is in the villages. That is in the rural areas. You have to ensure that when you make these trips, when you go and make the visits, you have to bring back the proof, the letter, the memorandum. Meet the honorable ministers, meet the honorable MLAs and tell them, this is what we found. We realize that people need to be helped. Can you provide the road here? Can you provide the school here? That is going to be the real contribution that you can make. So therefore, as a youth, you have to remember, it's not just about the party organization. Being in the government, you have an advantage. Take that advantage. Visit the rural areas. Bring back the feedback to us. Let us know what we can do so that we can make the lives of the people at the grassroots even better.